Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli and Team India landed in Delhi today aboard a specially arranged charter flight 5 days after winning the coveted ICC title in Barbados. India was of course stranded due to a Category 4 hurricane termed Beryl. The Indian cricket team won the country its second T20 world title, ending an 11-year wait for an ICC trophy. Meanwhile, fans gathered at the airport in the national capital holding placards to congratulate and welcome the champions. The men in blue are scheduled to meet the Prime Minister today in the national capital at around 11 a.m. And after meeting the Prime Minister, the team will fly to Mumbai to take part in an open bus victory parade, followed by a felicitation ceremony at the Wankhede Stadium. My colleague Shubh Rana joins us live from ITC Maurya. Shubh, you were earlier there this morning when the men in blue arrived back after their victory. Of course, we saw scenes of Rohit Sharma carrying the trophy and proudly displaying it to everyone who was waiting very eagerly for all of them to arrive there. You've also spoken to some of the super fans on the ground. How was it like?
Yes, definitely, Pia, because from any time now, the Indian cricket team is all set to move from ITC Hotel to the PM residence, because since the time was given at 11 a.m. and you know, from any time now, the cricketers can move out from the ITC Hotel with lots of happiness, and the national capital have welcomed them with open arms, and you know, there have been a lot of happiness in the air. We are surrounded by many fans who have been waiting just to see the glimpse of Indian cricket team. We'd like to talk to them. कैसा लग रहा है? How's the जोश?
बहुत है, जोश आया है और we are very excited. We are happy for our team India. They were working very hard till from 2023 only. We lose there, but it's okay. Now we have won and we are very happy for them, for Rohit Sharma, for Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya. Whatever they did was really powerful.
We have been waiting for this moment since past 13 years, but you know, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli have been retiring. How's the feeling here?
It's very, Hardik Pandya. They were very, these goosebumps are there. We are very excited. We are happy for the team, and 19 November ko jo hua, we all broke up. And then this 23rd, we saw that,
यानी setback से अच्छा comeback होना चाहिए, right?
ठीक है, अभी मतलब हमने 1 साल से मेहनत नहीं कर रहे थे, पिछले 11-12 साल से मेहनत चल रही थी, वो फल अब जाके मिला है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट फल अभी और आगे बहुत मिलेगा। अभी रोहित शर्मा सर रुकेंगे नहीं, अब बस लेके जाना है, सब कप्स पे टिक 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 लगने वाला है। बस एक बात बोलूँगा, T20 वर्ल्ड कप बस जाकी है, ODI वर्ल्ड कप अभी बाकी है, वो आएगा 2027 में।
Zabardast. So you can witness the josh of the fans who have gathered here just to get a glimpse of their favorite Indian cricketers who have done all their best to get the trophy in our hands, because since any time from now they can leave to the PM residence, and from there they would have a brunch with Prime Minister. And Pia, you remember whenever Prime Minister meets the cricketers, he is also very happy no matter what the outcome is. He always motivates all the players who have been playing in a bigger scenario. So that's why this meeting would be very special, because with the brunch there would be a trophy of T20 which would be kept on the table with all the pride, with all the glamour, with all the honor, and it would be interesting to know that how the men in blue will dress, and how will they go. Will they dress in the blue t-shirts they were supposed to, or will they dress in proper suit? Because since they are going to meet the Prime Minister, it would be kind of informal meeting, because this is not the first time when the cricketers are meeting Prime Minister, because previously when India have lost its match, then also Prime Minister hugged Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, also Mohammad Shami, saying that no problem, we have many more matches to come. So this time his blessings have been turned into a dream come true, and the players would be going to the Prime Minister, where they'll be very happy with all the glamour, with all the love, with all the pride. They will take the trophy and they'll go to the Prime Minister. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.